How to make Spanish Basque cheesecake. Basque cheesecake is a popular dessert that originated in the Basque region of Spain. This delicious dessert is known for its creamy texture, caramelized top, and unique flavor. Here is a St. Ingredients: 2 pounds cream cheese, at room temperature. 1½ cups granulated sugar. 6 large eggs, at room temperature. 2 cups heavy cream. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon salt. Zest of 1 lemon. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius. Line a 9-inch springform pan with parchment paper and butter the sides. In a large mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese and sugar until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. In another bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, flour, vanilla extract, salt, and lemon zest. Add this mixture to the cream cheese mixture and beat until well combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth out the top with a spatula. Bake the cheesecake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the edges are set. The center should still be slightly jiggly. Remove the cheesecake from the oven and let it cool to room temperature. Once cooled, refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. To serve, remove the cheesecake from the pan and peel off the parchment paper. Slice and serve chilled. Basque cheesecake is a delicious and unique dessert that is perfect for any occasion. Its caramelized top and creamy texture make it a favorite among cheesecake lovers, while its unique flavor. Variations: while the classic Basque cheesecake is made with cream cheese, sugar, eggs, heavy cream, flour, vanilla extract, salt, and lemon zest, there are many variations of the dessert that incorporate culinary tourism. Basque cheesecake has become a popular destination for foodies and culinary tourists. Visitors to the Basque region of Spain can enjoy the dessert at local bakeries and cafes, and even take health considerations. While Basque cheesecake is undeniably delicious, it is also a very rich and indulgent dessert that is high in calories, fat, and sugar. As with all treats, it is best enjoyed in moderation. Overall, Basque cheesecake is a delicious and unique dessert that is sure to delight your taste buds. Whether you enjoy it as part of a special occasion or as a sweet treat, Basque cheesecake. Certainly. Here are some additional details and fun facts about Basque cheesecake. Origin: Basque cheesecake originated in the Basque region of Spain, where it is known as tarta de queso or gasta tarta. The dessert was created by the famous Basque chef, Santiago Rivera. Texture: Basque cheesecake is known for its unique texture, which is creamy on the inside and caramelized on the outside. The cheesecake is baked at a high temperature, which creates a caram. Flavor: Basque cheesecake has a unique flavor that sets it apart from traditional cheesecake recipes. The lemon zest and vanilla extract add a subtle citrus flavor, while the heavy cream give. Presentation: Basque cheesecake is typically served in slices, with a caramelized top facing upwards. The dessert can be garnished with fresh fruit, whipped cream, or a dusting of powdered. Variations: while the classic Basque cheesecake is made with cream cheese, sugar, eggs, heavy cream, flour, vanilla extract, salt,